This is the EVVA Duo Pro. Keyway's a little paracentric, so I'm going to have to pick off the warding here, I think. Just going to use a 19 thousandths short round Jimmy Long. First one was binding. Second one was binding. Number 3 went up a little bit. There 2 went up a little bit more. Last one was binding. I got a deep false set. Now number 4 is binding. I got 6 and 5. Now number 4 is binding. There we go. So I don't know if this is got trap pins in it. It's got bitting on the side. I don't know if they turn into active pins or if that's just for key control. But I don't even know if this is the slider or pin tumbler version. I think this is a slider. So yeah, I don't think there's actually pins in there. I think this is a slider lock. But get a gut and take a look. So it's a snap ring on there. These pliers are not, prongs are a little bit too big to fit in there. I need to get smaller ones. And this would be a whole lot easier. I don't know if I have. Smaller ones. Yeah, those look like they'll fit. All right, I think these will fit. All right, but yeah, I think it's a slider lock. But just in case I'm wrong, I'm gonna throw a shim in it just so nothing falls in that slot there. I doubt it will anyway, even if it's not a slider lock, but I have the shims, so it doesn't hurt to throw them in, but I don't think it's necessary on this lock. Oops, so it is not a slider lock. Where does it come out of? All right, so that's 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. And it's got the sidebar just like the DPI and EPS. It doesn't want to come out of there. There we go. Those grooves line up with the bitting on the key. That did not turn in. I did not have to set anything when I 360'd it. There were no trap pins in it. There's standard. There's a spool. There's a spool. Another spool. And another spool. So basically a 6-pin DPS. These springs are coarse. And tweezers don't want to grab them if you grab them in the middle. You want to keep slipping off. There is a slight sidebar groove in there. It's had just 2 standards and 4 spools. Basically a 6-pin EPS. Alright, that is the EVVA Duo Pro.